Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make YouTube Shorts in Davinci Resolve. So all you have to do is to install Davinci, and then this is what it looks like. Now, first thing you should do is you have to go to settings, go to project settings, and then here you're going to set the resolution or timeline resolution here from 1920 to 1020. And then here is you're going to change this to 1920. And then after that, you can now scroll and then proceed or continue. The next thing to do here is you can now upload the file, the video that you want to post as YouTube Shorts to your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is to drag that video right here. And as you can see, the original video is not the same size for YouTube Shorts. So you can just simply change the ratio of the video using the Davinci Resolve. Now, if you want to add more effects or if you want to zoom this video, then you can tap this inspector at the top right corner. Here you can transform the video, you can crop, you can also do the speed change and so on. So all you have to do is to click this inspector and then add some changes right here. So this is what it looks like. You can even add a voiceover to this video. So you can go to any AI platform or site such as a voice maker or 11 labs. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to use 11 labs this time and then try to tap this or use this text to speech. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this one. Hello, good day, welcome to my channel. And then look for the specific voice that you want to use. For example, you want to look for a girl or woman voice here. And then after that, you can listen, you can generate speech and then download and then upload here on Davinci and then drag that voice over here below the video. You can listen before you export. Okay, so drag this here and then you can also trim the video. You can cut the video. Now, in order to make sure that the ratio or the size, so let's just say this video is for YouTube, or you can post it to your YouTube Shorts, then what you're going to do is you have to click this icon right here and then select 916 and then export. So that's how you make YouTube Shorts in Davinci Resolve. If you know how to use CapCut, then it wouldn't be hard for you to use Davinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.